We are pleased to introduce Maths Made Easy, a new homework service from Pearson Primary and Carol Vorderman. Powered by the Maths Factor, this service is designed to make setting and marking homework quick and easy so that you can spend time doing what you do best, teaching. And what Maths Made Easy does that no other homework service can do is send Carol Vorderman home too, so that the parents of your children can be helped to understand, engage with and support the homework that you set. Every time you log into Maths Made Easy, you will see the welcome page. Here you can watch a video of Carol explaining the concept and the benefits of choosing it as your homework service. We also explain the next steps you'll need to take to getting your account up and running so you can start setting homework to your class as soon as possible. On this page you'll also see a box where we request feedback. It's really important that we produce products and services that work for you and for your pupils, so don't forget to let us know what you like and what you'd like us to change. If you want more information about Pearson and our products, then you'll also find links to our social accounts. Become a fan or a follower and get timely updates about Maths Made Easy, plus interesting articles, promotions, free downloads and much more. My Classes section. This section of the website is designed to help you manage your classes and the homeworks you set. Creating a class. To create a class, you simply click on the Create New Class button. You will then be taken through a three-step procedure. Step 1. Enter the name of a class and select the teachers who will manage the class and the homework set. Step 2. Here you can populate your class by searching for pupils or selecting year groups, and then clicking and dragging them over into the empty class box. Step 3. This is where you assign your class homework. You can assign homework in two different ways. You can click on the You Choose option. This option allows you to search Maths Made Easy for homework appropriate to the specific needs of your class. You can keep assigning homeworks as they progress through the school year. Alternatively, you can choose the Our Selection option. This option allows the Maths Made Easy service to automatically suggest a weekly homework schedule based upon the age group of your class. Managing classes. Once you have created and saved your classes, you will see them appear on the My Classes page. Immediately you can see how many pupils you have in each class and how many homeworks are remaining. To view the class, simply click on the class box and you'll be taken through to the page that displays information on the current set homework, the next homework you have set and when it opens to pupils, and previous homework scores. The Results tab is always the first tab that is selected when you click on the My Classes button. Pupils tab. Using the tabs on the page, you're also able to manage the class pupils and homeworks. Clicking on the Pupils tab takes you to a new page that displays all the pupils you have assigned to the class and their login information, usernames and passwords. At a top level, you can add or remove pupils here, or click the pencil icon next to the student's name to edit their details. To view their homework, simply click their name, and you'll be directed to a page that shows you their results grid. The grid is made up of the status of the homework set, whether they have been completed, how many attempts have been made, and the score achieved. There is a handy key at the bottom that explains all the colours and letters used in the results grid. There is also a tabbed option to see the results of the whole class, so you can easily compare how pupils are doing against their peers. Also within the Pupils tab, there is a Homeworks button. Here you can view a list of all the homework set. If you need to refresh your memory, you can click on the name listed to view the homework details. Here you will see the homework objective, a description, the age group, the topic, and the topic overview. You will also be able to watch the video of Carol explaining the maths, the practice task, and the test the children will do to complete the homework. Homework tab. The last tab in the class section is the Homework tab. This shows you a calendar view of all the homework set. Here you can easily view, edit and delete any homeworks in the calendar by clicking on the icons in the calendar boxes. If you prefer to see the homeworks in a list, you can click on the List tab. To view the homework task, simply click on the View Homework icon next to the name of the task you wish to view. Tasks can't be edited in this view, they can only be edited by using the Edit tab. In this section you will also see a Recommend Homeworks button. If you are pushed for time, Maths Made Easy can recommend a weekly homework schedule based upon the age group of this class. The system will allocate one homework per week in our suggested order in a week-by-week calendar. If you need to allocate more homework tasks to your class, you can do that here by clicking on the Add Homework button. This takes you through to the Search section of the site, where you can search for the task you want by selecting the age group, topic or content type you require. Search. As mentioned before, you can search for the task you want by selecting the age group, topic or content type you require. Once you have selected your criteria, click the Find Homeworks button and you will see a list of recommended homeworks appear at the bottom of the page. Select the homework you would like to use, and if it fits your requirements, assign it using the Assign Homework button. If it's not what you require, you can use the Results button to view the other homeworks that were also recommended in the search results. Alternatively, you can use the Back to Results button to take you back to the main search page at any time. Admin. The admin page is the central page of the system. Ultimately, it has been designed for the school's administrator. Here is where teacher, pupil and class information can be created and edited. By clicking on the image box for the group you want to select, you will then be taken to the relevant page. The Teachers page lets you add or edit your teacher accounts. The Pupil page allows you to search for a pupil by typing their surname into the Quick Find box, or you can select from the Cohort drop-down box to list all pupils in a given cohort. Here you can also view and edit account information or print login details for existing pupils. Pupils can also be found by clicking on a letter. This will then pull information on all students with a surname starting with the chosen letter and display them as a list below. Adding a new pupil. To add a new pupil couldn't be easier. Click on the Create New Pupil button to be taken to a new page where you can enter their details and then submit them to the system. Once this is completed, the new pupil will be added to the system. Classes. The Classes section allows you to search for a class or group and then view or edit class details, including pupils in that class and their homework assignments. You can also assign or unassign teachers to and from classes. Pupil login. Once a pupil logs in, they will see the current homework that has been set for them, the next homework, and also be able to have a go at completing a recent homework that they may have missed. Pupils will progress through each homework package in the following order. First, they watch a video by Carol, reminding them of the mathematical topic and method they will be using. Then they warm up using a practice game or activity. And finally, they complete a timed and marked homework, the score from which goes back to parent and teacher. Once they have completed the homework, they see their score, including which questions they got wrong and the correct answer for each, via the Report Card button. They also get a certificate to print out and keep. Parent login. When parents log in, they will be able to see the scores and allocated homeworks for any of their children in a school with a subscription. They can see the video, play the warm-up, and try out the homework itself. This time the scores don't get recorded though. Help. Last but not least is the Help section. Here you will find FAQs and hints and tips on how to use the service.